guys, this is Eileen from Loving Plants, and I am unboxing a Philodendron Gloriosum, as you can already see from the title and the thumbnail. Come along with this unboxing and come see what we got. I'm super excited because I got my very first Wishlist plant through the mail, and here's the box. Just arrived. I was very shocked how small it was. Now I understand that these are baby plants and they're going to be growing quite large, but I'm sure you've seen from the title that this is a Philodendron Gloriosum in here, and I can't wait to unbox it for you and show you what we've got. Packaged really well. I'm going to link the Etsy store that I got it from. It was called the Green Room Atlanta, and he had a few really specialty rare type plants. So let's see what this Gloriosum looks like. And of course I had to name her already, Gloria. So let's see what Gloria looks like. So I know that this is already in perlite and moss. The perlite definitely is everywhere, but let's see if I can be careful here in how I do this. Oh, she's free! She's free! Oh, little baby. So pretty. He had it all taped up, but the perlite definitely kind of went everywhere. You know, in shipping, guys, this is the thing with shipping plants. Everybody kind of has their own way of shipping, and there's really there's no right or wrong way. It's just kind of, you hope for the best. All right, so he's got the moss on top. Oh, so velvety. I've been wanting to know what these Gloriosums feel like, and oh, I just love the velvet leaves. So here she is, guys. This is Gloria. It's a little bright here. I have her near a southwest facing door that has the windows in it, and she's chilling, enjoying her first day here. I see a little bit of reddish outline on the leaf. I don't know, as I don't know much about these plants, if that's how they are when they're young. It might be, actually, because I'm looking at this little new growth point, and of course there's like reddish around that. But look at that. A new little growth point. Oh, I really hope she does well. The seller said to keep her in the sphagnum, I don't even know how you say that, sphagnum moss and perlite combination that she's been growing in for at least 3 weeks. So I'll probably do maybe, I don't know, a month, and just really have her acclimate in this. And then we'll move her over to soil where she can hopefully grow and grow and grow. And oh, I see these big, beautiful Gloriosums, and I would just love if she gets to that point. Super excited. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will do some update videos coming soon. And awesome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.